have already learned how to multiply any number by a one-digit number. We need to remember the table of all the one-digit numbers for performing multiplication. Now over here, we need to multiply 25 by 15, 25 into 15. Now both are two-digit numbers, 25 into 15. So I need to multiply one two-digit number with another two-digit number. How do I do that? So the first step is to write the numbers one below the other using place values, that is according to their place values, and give a multiplication sign. So ones digits of the two numbers will come one below the other, and the tens digits of the two numbers will come one below the other. And now I need to multiply these. I need to put this multiplication symbol. Now I don't know the table of 15. So how can I multiply these two? So I have 15 here. So the first thing that I need to do is I simply consider the ones digit of this. This is the multiplier, and this is the multiplicand. This we have already learned. This is the multiplier. So I consider the ones digit of the multiplier, that is the number I am multiplying by, which is 5, and I multiply this number by 5. So I just remove this one. I forget this one for the time being and multiply this number by 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. I write a 5 in the ones digit. 2 is carried. Now 5 into 2 is 10, and 10 plus 2 is 12. So I write 12 here. But this is not the answer because I have to multiply by 15. I have only multiplied by 5 till now. So now what do I need to do? I need to consider this 1. And now I need to multiply 25 by 1. But this one is in tens place. So 1 tens means 10. So this means that I have to multiply 25 by 10 because 1 tens means 10. And I know that when I am multiplying any two numbers, I can take this 0 and write it at the right of the product. And now I need to multiply the remaining digits, that is 25 and 1. So when I move to the tens place, I first put a 0 for the tens place, and then I multiply the digits by 1. So I will multiply 5 by 1 first. So 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 2 is 2. And see, I am writing it below 125. So I don't write it to the left or right of 125. I write it below 125. So first I multiply by 5. That is the ones digit. Write the product here. Then I need to multiply by the tens digit. But for that, I put a 0 here. Also, because we are multiplying by the tens digit, I need to start writing the numbers from the tens position. And all the digits to the right of this will be 0. And now I need to add these two. So I add these two. 5 plus 0 gives me 5. 2 plus 5 gives me 7. And 1 plus 2 gives me 3. And this is the product. So 375 is the product of 25 and 15. So this is how I can multiply two two-digit numbers. Now let us see how this system works. Why this multiplication works. Now I know that 15 is 10 plus 5, that is 5 ones and 1 tens. I also know that 25 is 20 plus 5, that is 5 ones and 2 tens. So now let us see what happens if I multiply these individually. So let us see what happens if I multiply by this 5. So 5 into 5 is 25 and 5 into 20, I put 0 from here and 5 into 2 is 10. Now I add these two. So 25 plus 100 gives me 125. Now this is the same as this. Also, what happens if I multiply by 10 now? So 10 into 5 is 50. And what is 10 into 20? So 0 and 0, there are two zeros. And 2 into 1 gives me 2. So I have 200. What is 50 plus 200? 250. And this is exactly what we have here. And now if I add these two, I get 5, 7, 3. That is 375, which is what I have here. So you see, I multiply by 5 ones first. Over here also I am multiplying by 5 ones, getting 125, the same as this. I multiply by 1 tenths then and write the answer here. Then I multiply by 1 tenths here, write the answer and get 250. And this again we have broken down into ones and tenths. So this is how this system works, and it is a very simplified version of what we have here. So this is the logic why this simple method works so well and gives us the correct answer always. Now what about these two numbers? So let us multiply these two numbers. 95 into 24. So first I need to write down the numbers one below the other. So the units digit below the units digit, the tens digit below the tens digit, and I need to multiply the two. So this is how I can do that. Now first step will be to take the units digit or the ones digit of this number, which is 4, and then multiply it with this. Now 4 into 5 is 20. So I have 0 and I take 2 as carry. 4 into 9 is 36. And to that 36 I add 2. Remember, I am not adding 2 with 9 and then multiplying by 4. I am first multiplying 9 by 4, getting 36, and at the end I am adding this 2. So 36 plus 2 is 38. What next? Next, I come to the tens digit, which is 2. Now, I need to multiply this number by 2, but it is 2 tens. So first, I write this 0 and then I multiply by 2. Now 2 into 5 is 10, but there is already a 0 here. So you might think that this 0 is already there. 2 into 5 is 10. So let's carry 1. But no, this 0 is because it is 2 tens. So this 0 will always be there. And I need to write another 0 here because I am multiplying 2 by 5 and getting 10. So this 0 is actually the 0 of 10, which I need to write. And I carry 1. Now, when I take 2 into 9, 18. 2 into 9 is 18. Now, what do I need to add? So, over here, don't get confused once again. To 18, I need to add 1 and not 2, or not 1 as well as 2. I need to add only 1. So it is better that when you write this one, you just scratch off the carry of the ones place, so that you don't get confused and don't end up adding this 2. So 2 into 9 is 18, and 18 plus 1 gives me 19. So this is what we have, and I need to add these two. So 0 plus 0 gives me 0, 8 plus 0 gives me 8, 3 plus 9 gives me 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 gives me 2. So this is the answer, or the product of these two numbers. This is the answer when I multiply these two numbers. And you see how easily we can get this if we follow the steps one by one and do all the calculations correctly. So now can you multiply these two numbers? I have 47 into 36. So I need to write them one below the other. And what is the first step? The first step is to multiply by 6. So 6 into 7 is 42. 2, 4 is carried over. 6 into 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. And now I need to multiply by 3. So remember, we first need to write a 0 here because we are multiplying the digit in the tens place. So I need to write a 0 here first, and then I will start multiplying by 3. So I'll start with the digit in the tens place because I am multiplying with the digit in the tens place. So 3 into 7 is 21. I write 1 here, 2 will be carried. So I scratch out this 4 and write 2. 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is what we have. And now I need to add these two. So 2 plus 0 gives me 2. 8 plus 1 gives me 9. 2 plus 4 gives me 6. And I have a 1 here. So this is the answer, or the product. So when you multiply 47 by 36, you get the answer as 1692. This is how you can multiply two two-digit numbers. First, write the numbers one below the other, then multiply by the ones digit, then multiply by the tens digit, write a 0 here, write the product to the left of the 0, and then add the two products that you have got to get the final answer. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at DeltaStep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at DeltaStep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.